Hello, my dear children. Good morning, all of you. Today, for class 10, the continuation of plane geometry, circle, angle properties. You have already learned three theorems. Today, remaining theorems. Number 4, the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Cyclic quadrilateral, that means the vertices of the quadrilateral must lie on the circumference of the circle. And condition, quadrilateral must be cyclic. Then the conclusion, part 1, angle BAD equal to angle BCD. Supplement opposite angles. Opposite angles are supplementary. And part 2, angle ADC plus angle ABC, 180 degree. This is the first theorem. And next, for today, the exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to the interior opposite angle. Here, exterior angle and interior angle. Cyclic quadrilateral, but exterior and interior. Exterior and interior are equal when the quadrilateral is cyclic. Therefore, conclusion, angle CBE, this is the exterior, and ADC is the interior opposite angle equals. On the basis of this theorem, one sum I am giving here, you must follow. In the adjoining figure, sides AB and DC of a cyclic quadrilateral are produced mid at P, and the sides AD and BC are produced to meet at Q. If angle ADC equal to 75 degree and angle BPC equal to 50 degree, find angle BAD, angle CQD. This the sum. You know very well, you have to draw the diagram. After drawing the diagram, you have to see the diagram and you have to look at the question. Angle BAD, this angle is required. This angle in this quadrilateral, that is ABCD, this is the angle, and interior opposite angle, this is the interior opposite angle. So on the basis on this theorem, we are getting this. So we have to find out this angle first. This angle, to get the value of this angle, we have to find out this angle. How we may get this angle? That this angle is exterior angle of this. So this is why solution we may start here. Angle ADC equal to 75 degree. That is given. Angle ADC equal to 75 degree, that is given. Therefore, angle CBP equal to angle ADC equal to 75 degree. But reason, this angle CBP equal to angle ABC. Reason you have to write the reason. Without reason the statement will not be accepted. Reason: exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angles. This reason you have to write clearly. Now we are getting the value of this angle. Now we have to find out this. So in triangle BCP, angle CBP equal to 75 degree, just we have got, and angle BPC that is 50 degree, that is given. Therefore triangle BCP plus angle CBP plus angle BPC equal to 180 degree. Reason you have to write: since sum of angles of triangle equal to 180 degree. This reason you have to write clearly. Therefore angle BCP plus angle CBP we got 75 degree, and BPC that is 50 degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle BCP equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree plus 50 degree equal to 55 degree. Equal to 50, that is angle BCP. This angle is 55 degree. Therefore angle BAD is required angle equal to BCP equal to 55 degree. This is the required answer, but you have to write the reason. You have written the reason one time, again you have to write. That is, since exterior angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior opposite angle. This reason you have to write. This is the first part. Up to this, the first part, then you have to do the second part. I think it is clear. Now we have to start the second part. See the diagram. I have told that you have to see the diagram that is CQD. Part 2, that is CQD is required. CQD, that is this angle. To get this angle, we have to find out this angle and this angle. So in triangle we may consider in triangle CQD, the angle DCQ, angle DCQ, angle DCQ equal to DCQ equal to angle BCP. BCP we have already got, that is 55 degree. But you have to write the reason. Reason vertically opposite angle. Since vertically opposite angles, this reason you have to write, otherwise you will miss the marks for this part. Then we have to find out the value of this angle, that is angle CDQ, and angle CDQ equal to 180 degree minus 75 degree. Why 180 degree minus equal to 105 degree? But reason you have to write, since ADQ is a straight line. This is the reason you have to write. Otherwise, you will miss the marks for this part. Now we have to find out angle CQD. That is, therefore, entangle CQD, that is CQD angle CQD plus angle CDQ plus angle DCQ equal to 180 degree, since sum of angles of triangle equal to 180 degree. This reason you have to write clearly. Now angle CQD plus CDQ, that is we got 105 degree, and DCQ, that is we got 55 degree, equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle CQD equal to 180 degree minus 105 degree plus 55 degree equal to 20 degree. This is the answer. Second, after this, if you do, then you will get full marks on this sum. Now what you have to do, you know very well, same sum you have to try again. After trying, you have to check whether it is matching or not. If it is not matched, then again you have to do the same sum. In this way, you will get the determination, and determination will bring the solution of any problem. Okay, thank you everyone.